idolatry. Ito po ay mga mahabang basahin. We just review it at home, but we'll just be focusing on those most emphatic verses, no? Okay, verse 5. Ezekiel chapter 8, verse 5. Sing, Ezekiel. Then he said to me, Son of man, lift up your eyes now toward the north. So I lifted up my eyes toward the north, and there north of the outer gate was the image of jealousy in the entrance. Ito po, the setting was the temple. North, east, west, south, full of idolatries. Furthermore, he said to me, Son of man, do you see what they are doing? The great abominations of the house of Israel commits here. To make me, everybody let's read. To make me go far away from my sanctuary. Yan yung panahon na the glory has departed from Israel. Noong time na na-mention na the glory has departed, noong ma-capture yung Ark of the Covenant, at the time of Ezekiel, the glory also departed when the Babylonians came and trampled down, so to speak, the temple and all the objects of the temple. Pero hindi yun nagpaalis ng kalwalatian ni Lord. Ang nagpaalis ng kalwalatian ni Lord, yung patigasan ng kanilang puso, yung kanilang idolatria, pagsamba sa mga Diyos-Diyosan, sa lantagman o sa lihim. Now, let's continue. Now, turn again. You will see greater abominations. So he brought me to the door of the court. Samahan niyo ako bumasa. And when I looked, there was a hole in the wall. Then he said to me, Son of man, dig into the wall. And when I dug into the wall, there was a door. Verse 9. He said to me, everybody, go in and see the wicked abominations which they are doing there. So I went in and saw, and there, everybody let's read, pakituloy po. Every sword, abominable beasts, and all idols of the house of Israel portrayed all around the walls. Parang may kapareho yan ah. Itong bayan ng Israel nag-claim ng mga anak ni Yahweh, anak ng Diyos, bayang pinili, banal. Pero may mga secret sins nila, nasa templo mismo. Mga Diyos-Diyosan, iba't-ibang laki, iba't-ibang pangalan. Ba meron din yung ngayon, hanggang ngayon? Hindi ko naman sinasamba si Mama Mary. Pero yung pinaparagan, hindi nilalagyan ng bulaklak. Dinadalaminan. Hindi ko naman sinasamba si Pedro. Hindi ko naman sinasamba si Juan. Pero may mga statues, di ba? At mayroong mga panalangin na kaugnay kung anong klaseng santo sila. Walang ipinagkaiba sa kasalanan ito ng bansang Israel. Pero lahat siya nag-claim, anak ng Diyos. Let's continue. And there stood before them 70 men of the elders of the house of Israel, and in their midst stood Jezaniah the son of Shaphat. Each man had a censer in his hand, and a thick cloud of incense went up. Then he said to me, Son of man, have you seen what the elders of the house of Israel do in the dark? Every man in the room of his idols. For they say, the Lord does not see us, the Lord has forsaken the land. Pagpapalaman na natin si Lord. Si Jesus, ayaw ng anumang anyo ng idolatria. Amen? Go back to the book of Exodus chapter 20 when the Lord said, you shall not make for yourselves any graven image or any or baptized in the waters under the earth.